there, I'm Chef Ani. Today I'm going to show you how to make portobello mushroom burgers. Don't feel like just because you don't eat meat, you have to miss out on the grilling this summer. No, 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 you can grill portobello mushrooms. You will be amazed at how easy these are to make. And they're perfect for the 4th of July, which is just in a couple of days. Mushrooms are low in calories and they retain their vitamin D. They're a great meat substitute and they're super easy to prepare. Oh wow, that's a snapping turtle. All right, so enough talking. Let's get cooking. We're going to start by preparing our mushrooms. There's a big debate on whether or not to wash mushrooms, but you can make that decision on your own. I wash mine because they're dirty. And next we're going to cut the stem off. Brush with some olive oil. The oil will help our mushrooms cook and give it a little bit of flavor. Then we just sprinkle with salt. Now you can grill these mushrooms on a large grill, but for demonstration purposes today, I'm going to just use this griddle. So we're going to put our mushrooms on the grill. I'm going to put a little, little bit of pressure. Now if you're cooking these mushrooms on a large grill, you want to flip them so that they get cooked on both sides. Look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? Okay, I'm going to do 2 more. If you want to, you can let them marinate in a marinade. See my recipe for details. Now some people don't like to press the mushrooms when they grill them, but I like to press mine because it makes it a very manageable size. It's not too big, you know what I mean? But you can do exactly what you want to do. You gotta hear the sizzle. That snapping turtle is laying her eggs in my yard and looking at me while she's doing it. That is better. Oh. Now I like to get the sear marks on my mushrooms. I like to rotate them just a little bit so I get that nice sear mark. Now we're going to assemble our burgers. Start with some bread. Now you can use whatever condiments you want to use. You could use vegan mayo, ketchup, mustard, anything you really want. Pickles. But today I'm going to use pesto because I really like pesto. For the recipe for my pesto, there'll be a link in the description of this video. You gotta go all the way to the edges. That's what my dad taught me. On my mom and dad's, I think, 2nd date, they went on a picnic and my dad showed my mom that you have to take the ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you're using, all the way to the edges. All the way to the edges. We are ready for our portobello mushroom. Some tomato. This is where you get creative and you use what you want to use. A little bit of onion, pesto on the, I'm spilling everywhere. It's okay, we're cooking outside. Now some of you might want to use regular lettuce, but today I'm going to use arugula because it's going to add a whole nother flavor dimension to this. Now doesn't that look fantastic? Look at that. That is a good looking burger right there. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I want to wish all my friends out there a very happy 4th of July.